Looking for a broker with global reach, flexible trading conditions, and powerful platforms? In this video, we're taking a look at Capital.com, a globally recognized CFD trading platform that's making waves in the trading world. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Capital.com is an award-winning fintech company regulated by some of the world's most trusted financial authorities, including the FCA, CYSEC, and FSA. With over 500,000 traders worldwide and a growing reputation for transparency, security, and innovation, it's clear why many are turning to Capital.com for their trading needs. This broker accesses over 3,000 markets, all available through an intuitive web platform and mobile app powered by AI-driven insights and TradingView charts. Capital.com's commission-free model, tight spreads, and no hidden fees make it a standout for both beginners and seasoned traders. With Capital.com, traders have access to thousands of CFDs across a wide range of asset classes, making it easy to build a well-diversified portfolio. You can trade major global indices like the US 500, UK's FTSE 100, and Germany 40, perfect for those looking to speculate on overall market movements. If individual stocks are more your style, Capital.com offers CFDs on over 4,000 global shares, including giants like Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. The platform also covers a broad selection of commodities, from precious metals like gold and silver to oil, natural gas, and even agricultural products. For Forex traders, there are more than 120 currency pairs available, including all major, minor, and exotic pairs. And if you're into crypto, Capital.com supports CFD trading on a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. They also offer CFDs on ETFs and select futures-based instruments, giving you more flexibility in your strategy. Whether you're looking to go long, short, or hedge your positions, Capital.com provides a fast, commission-free way to access global markets from a single platform. The broker is a fully regulated global broker, licensed by several top-tier financial authorities. In the UK, it's authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, while in Europe, it operates under the CYSEC in Cyprus, offering investor protection under MiFID2. Australian clients are covered under the ASIC, and the platform is also regulated by the FSA in Seychelles, the SCB in the Bahamas, and the SCA in the United Arab Emirates. Across all regions, Capital.com enforces strict client fund segregation and offers negative balance protection for retail traders, ensuring users never lose more than they deposit. All client data is encrypted, and two-factor authentication is available to protect user accounts. Funds are kept in segregated bank accounts, separate from the company's operational funds, ensuring they are safeguarded even in the unlikely event of insolvency. Capital.com does not offer traditional sign-up, deposit, or loyalty bonuses to retail clients, in line with regulatory standards that restrict such promotions. However, it does run a refer-a-friend program, which allows eligible clients, especially those under the FCA or SCB regulations, to earn up to $250 per calendar quarter, typically $50 per friend, up to 5 referrals, assuming each user deposits at least $200 and places 3 trades. In some campaigns, clients may receive up to $100 per referral, capped at $500 per year for top-performing referrers. Beyond referrals, Capital.com does not currently offer other bonuses or promotions, a deliberate choice to focus on transparent pricing, competitive spreads, and regulatory compliance. The broker offers traders a flexible and feature-rich platform ecosystem, starting with its proprietary web trading platform. Accessible via any modern browser on PC or Mac, this intuitive interface gives users access to over 3,000 CFD markets, advanced charting with over 75 technical indicators, customizable watch lists, live news feeds, and integrated risk management tools like stop loss, take profit, and trading orders. For those who prefer analyzing and trading with a community-driven environment, TradingView integration allows direct execution from charts alongside social features, ideal for traders who value peer insights and advanced visual tools. Additionally, the broker supports MetaTrader 4 on desktop and mobile for traders seeking greater technical analysis capabilities, automated strategies via expert advisors, and robust back-testing features. While MetaTrader 4 offers powerful tools, it's used without extra customization, so the strength lies in its standard reliability rather than unique add-ons. Additionally, on mobile, the broker's iOS and Android applications bring full trading functionality on the go. Users benefit from real-time data, smart feeds with financial news, instant price alerts, customizable watch lists, and easy order placement for CFDs across equities, indices, forex, crypto, and commodities. Overall, the broker's platforms, including its proprietary web application, TradingView integration, MetaTrader 4 and other mobile applications, caters to all levels of traders, blending ease of use with depth and flexibility. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, you'll find tools that support everything from basic trade execution to in-depth technical analysis and automation. Capital.com simplifies its account structure, offering a streamlined set of options tailored for different trader profiles. At the core, the standard retail account is available with a low minimum deposit, typically $20, and provides access to over 3,000 CFD instruments. Retail clients receive negative balance protection, commission-free trading with spreads from around 0.6 pips on the euro to US dollar, and maximum leverage capped at around 1 to 30 for major forex pairs, 1 to 20 for non-major pairs, indices and gold, and 1 to 10 for other commodities and indices. For more experienced traders meeting specific criteria such as high trading volume, a large portfolio, or relevant financial sector experiences, Capital.com offers a professional account. This gives access to significantly higher leverage, up to 300 to 1 or even 500 to 1, depending on region. The broker's CFD account lets traders access over 3,000 markets, all through contract for difference trading. With a low minimum deposit, commission-free trading, and competitive spreads, it's designed for both beginners and experienced traders. Leverage is available up to 30 to 1 for major forex pairs, with negative balance protection to keep your risk in check. The platform offers fast execution, advanced charting, and integration with TradingView and MetaTrader 4. Overall, the CFD account is a flexible, user-friendly way to trade global markets with built-in risk management. Additionally, their spread betting account offers UK traders a tax-efficient way to speculate on market movements without owning the underlying assets. Spread betting is exempt from capital gains tax and stamp duty in the UK, making it a popular choice for tax-conscious traders. With a low minimum deposit, traders can access over 2,500 global markets with competitive spreads such as 1 pip on the euro to US dollar and 1.5 on the Great British Pound to US dollar. Additionally, the spread betting account features advanced risk management tools, including guaranteed stop-loss orders, to help traders manage potential losses. Traders can access their account via Capital.com's intuitive web platform or mobile application, both integrated with TradingView and MetaTrader 4 for enhanced charting and analysis. Capital.com's 1x account is designed for traders who prefer a straightforward, low-risk approach to market speculation. This account allows you to trade CFDs without leverage, meaning you can only use the funds you deposit, eliminating the risk of margin calls and negative balances. With this account, there are no overnight financing charges, and you're only charged the spread. This makes it a cost-effective option for those who want to manage risk while still participating in the markets. Ideal for beginners or risk-averse traders, the 1x account offers a clear and transparent way to engage in the markets using only your own capital. Additionally, the broker offers a demo account, which gives traders up to $1,000 in virtual funds to practice trading in over 3,000 markets risk-free. It offers real market conditions, advanced charts, and 75 indicators, all accessible on desktop and mobile. This is perfect for beginners learning or testing strategies before moving to a live account. Note that inactive demo accounts close after 2 weeks and profits are virtual only. Creating an account with Capital.com is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Sign Up button. Next, what you'll want to do is open a Capital.com account, which is as simple as submitting your email address and creating a password. Depending on the account type you have chosen, you can either open a demo account or a live account. In order to open a live account, you will need to submit and verify your personal information in order to get started. Or you can simply open a demo account if you wish to check out their platform or practice trading with virtual funds. The next step after creating your preferred trading account type would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the Capital.com web trader. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Capital.com web trader. At the top center of your dashboard, you have a nice and simple market watch. Here you can easily browse and switch between all of Capital.com's available market instruments. On the left side of the market watch, you have a variety of watch lists. Here you can add or remove favorites, view most popular instruments, and much more. At the bottom center of the dashboard, you have your chart. And at the left and top of the chart, a variety of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to the Capital.com web trader or any of the other platforms that they provide, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on Capital.com's educational section to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker offers a variety of secure, fee-free deposit and withdrawal options. Deposits can be made via credit and debit cards, bank transfers, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, and other e-wallets. The minimum deposit amount is typically $20, with bank transfers requiring a minimum of $50. Deposits are processed instantly except for bank transfers, which may take up to 3 business days. For withdrawals, Capital.com processes requests within 24 hours. Funds can be withdrawn to the same method used for deposits. The minimum withdrawal amount is $50, and withdrawals are free of charge. However, third-party payment providers may impose their own fees. Please note that to comply with anti-money laundering regulations, withdrawals are returned to the original deposit method. If you wish to withdraw funds to a different method, you may need to contact Capital.com's customer support for assistance. Capital.com offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at all levels. Their Learn to Trade hub provides beginner-friendly guides to covering trading essentials, risk management, and market analysis. For more advanced traders, the platform delves into topics like technical analysis, trading strategies, and trading psychology. Additionally, Capital.com offers the InvestMate mobile application, featuring over 30 free, bite-sized courses that make learning on the go convenient and engaging. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your skills, the broker provides a range of resources to help you navigate the markets confidently. Additionally, they offer a comprehensive news and analysis hub. Providing traders with up-to-date insights across various markets, the platform features expert-written articles, third-party forecasts, and technical analysis to help traders make informed decisions. The broker also provides institutional-grade news feeds, offering market-moving updates directly within their platform. These resources are accessible via the Capital.com web and mobile platforms, ensuring traders stay informed and can act swiftly on market developments. Over the years in operation, Capital.com has earned top recognition in various awards, including the Best in Class across 5 categories. The platform was praised for its beginner-friendly interface and extensive educational resources designed to support new traders. Capital.com has also stood out for its wide selection of cryptocurrency trading options and its intuitive, easy-to-use platform. Additionally, the broker received awards for providing clear, transparent commission and fee structures. These accolades and awards highlight the broker's dedication to offering a high-quality, accessible trading experience for traders around the world. Overall, Capital.com is a well-rounded and trustworthy trading platform that caters to traders of all experience levels. Offering access to over 3,000 markets, it provides a vast array of opportunities to diversify your portfolio, all from a single, user-friendly interface. The platform's strong regulatory oversight across multiple jurisdictions, along with its rigorous client fund segregation and advanced security protocols, ensures that your investments are protected and your trading environment is safe. The broker's commission-free trading model and competitive spreads make it an attractive option for cost-conscious traders, while its proprietary web platform, coupled with seamless integrations like TradingView and MetaTrader 4, deliver powerful analytical and execution tools that suit both beginners and professional traders alike. Beyond trading, their extensive educational resources and real-time market news empowers traders to sharpen their skills and stay ahead of market trends. Moreover, Capital.com's commitment to transparency, user experience, and continuous innovation has earned it multiple industry awards, underscoring its reputation as a leading broker in the online trading space. So whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your trading strategies with advanced features and comprehensive support, Capital.com offers a secure, flexible, and efficient trading environment that can help you reach your financial goals. And that is our overview of Capital.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.